Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. Okay, so I decided to make a separate tutorial for this hip TikTok dance move that I know some of you have been struggling with. So this one, whoop, 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 you can also do it like that, or just without any arms at all, or just subtle one. Alright, now let me explain this famous TikTok hip move. And the reason why I call it the TikTok hip move is because it's a hip dance move that is used in almost all TikTok dances. Alright, so to make it as easy as possible for you guys out there, I'm just gonna start with a simple exercise. So it's gonna look a bit funny in the beginning, but trust me, in the end, it's gonna look less funny and more ooh la la. Okay, so I want you to think of this shape. So it's not an A figure, but you go up, diagonal down, up, diagonal down, up, diagonal down, up, diagonal down, up. And then let's stand like this. You want to say up, diagonal down, so to my right side. Then I want to say up, diagonal down, up, diagonal down, up, diagonal down, up, diagonal down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, now we're gonna exaggerate the hips a bit. So we're still gonna do the same, yeah? Whoop, whoop, up, diagonal down. But now we wanna exaggerate by pushing out our hips a bit more. And then when we go back here, we wanna push our butt back, yeah? And then up, push butt out, up, push butt out, up, push butt out, up, push butt out. So when we connect those points, yeah, it should be more or less the hip movement. Yeah? Okay, so far we've done this and we've only kept our hip here to the front. Now what we want to do is turn it a bit more, so every time we go push our butt back, we want to turn. Yeah? And that's why when we do it, we need to lift our leg just slightly. Whoop, whoop. So we're pushing our butt back here. Boom, boom. So the difference is this. Here, my hip stays in the front. Well, it's facing the front. And here, I'm turning and pushing my butt to the sides. Boom, 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 boom. And you don't have to exaggerate like I just did. You can just keep it small. Yeah, so you can just go in here. Instead of going exaggerated, you can just keep it small. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do this hip thing that is in many of these TikTok dances. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.